Do you want to avoid late fees and missed bills without the stress of keeping track of every due date? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up alerts so you never miss another bill payment again. This simple solution can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Late fees and missed bills are more common than you think, but it doesn't have to be this way. By setting up alerts through your bank or third-party software, you can ensure you're notified ahead of time when a bill is coming due. I've tested a bunch of popular options, and today I'm sharing the best way to avoid these headaches with simple automated reminders. The first step is setting up reminders in your bank's app or website. Most banks now offer bill pay features where you can link your bills and set up automatic alerts. You can choose how far in advance you want to be notified. Some even let you pick between 1 to 7 days before a payment is due. Make sure your alerts are turned on and customized to how much notice you need. But if you want more than just basic reminders, you can use a specialized software to handle your bill tracking. Our recommended software makes it easier by integrating all your bills, sending reminders for due dates, and even allowing you to set up automatic payments. It pulls in your bills from a variety of sources and gives you a single place to track them. No more checking different websites and apps to see when things are due. The best part is that this software lets you track your recurring payments too, like subscriptions you may forget about. The best way to avoid late fees is to have a complete overview of all your bills and know when they're due. So this software really helps you stay on top of things without having to keep track of everything manually. Once you set up your alerts, don't forget to test them. It's always a good idea to do a trial run to make sure your reminders are showing up on time. That way, you can avoid a rude awakening when you miss a payment. Another thing you can do is enable mobile push notifications for all your bills. That way, no matter where you are, you're always in the loop and can quickly pay before the due date hits. This also prevents any last-minute surprises that can lead to stress and missed deadlines. Now, if you want to make this process even easier, check out the exclusive free trial I've got for you in the description below. This will give you access to the software we've been talking about today, and you can follow along to see how it works for yourself. Trust me, it's one of the best ways to avoid those pesky late fees. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Setting up bill alerts is the best way to avoid late fees and missed bills. Use your bank's built-in tools or third-party software to track everything in one place, customize your alerts, and stay on top of payments. To recap, I recommend checking out the software in the description for a free trial, enabling alerts, and testing them to ensure they're working. Don't wait until the last minute. Get ahead of your bills and save yourself the hassle. Thanks for watching.